So I hope you all just feel me about this. So cool. And I'm gonna show you how to all this and just straight the background to fix the the bar space and just get everything done and in the correct way. So guys, subscribe to my page and let's just do it. So first this day image right now. Okay, so all the thing you're gonna do is that you're gonna just select this one. Okay, this two. Okay, the rectangle, and it's just going to make it like this from here to here. Okay, and press Ctrl J. Okay, Ctrl J. Okay, if you want to say it, you just show the transform controls. Okay, so nice. So I think get it here and hit Ctrl T. Okay, Ctrl T, and make sure you hold Shift. Okay, and move to the top like this. Okay, and hit. That's it. So let's check the before and after. Have you seen it? Then you add it together. Then duplicate this image, make it 3. So we're gonna use the first one. Okay, and let's just select this side. Use this brush, okay, to select around here. And hit Ctrl J. Ctrl J. So we're gonna get something like this. So try to choose this eraser, magic eraser to step here and here, and bring this one out. Okay, so all that we're going to do is that we're going to then do the same at this place. So just step it like this. And Ctrl J, and Ctrl T again, and let's just move to these dots, and let's make sure we're just going to cover all this. Okay, so you just make it like this. Okay, and hit OK. So I think this one just costs a lot of things around. So all we're going to do is that we're going to add it together again. Hold it, add them, and Ctrl E to add them together. And let's just choose around this color, eyedropper, and choose this brush, mix the brush, and let's just increase it, and let's take this one out to make it empty. Before we can just use this. Okay, so make it cool like this. Then when you work on it like this, okay, when you work on it like this, because of this, how you remember this? So we cut this, first we cut this to just cover on the outside. Okay, so that we can just work on this. So you can use this one to stretch it like this. So that's how I used to work on this stuff. Okay. So beautiful. You can just work on it to just make it look so nice. And let's just add this together. Control E. And let's just check the before. Let's just go back. Check it before and after. Before and after. Okay, how we get all this. And the other thing we're gonna do is this time I'm going to search for my one or two image I just want to add to it. I think it's here. Sorry for today. I'm not much well, so we're going to drag this image and stretch it. First make it like this to cover everything, and choose this brush, magic eraser tool, and step on it and convert it to, and turn this one to 60, and step on it. So you're going to take all this, the white background out. I think there's a lot, so I'm going to play all this. You see this watermark on inside this, but I'm just using to show you how to just do it. Okay, and when done with it, make it cool like this. And let's move to image and move to levels. This is my favorite. I used to just go to all my things. Okay, so I'm going to make it cool and much cool like this, and hit OK. And let's move to filter and move to the blur, and it goes to blur. So I'm going to increase and see how it's going to match it. Okay, so I think this one is cool, and let's hit OK. So we send it. So beautiful. So let's check before and after, before and after. And there's one thing we need to add to it again. Okay, so we're going to add another one to make it complete. So this one too. Okay, so this side and hit it. So I just want to get the same image color, the same, this one, the same thing. So I'm gonna turn this, okay, this one to this, and let's check. So make it go and turn the color. So move to here on the saturation to change the color to something like this, and just reduce this one. Okay, and let's stop it. Okay, and let's just move to the color blade. You can get it here because we have just used it, and you can just make it around there. So when you're done with this, just hit Control B, Control B, to just make the color grading look so nice. So I'm going to turn to make it cool like this. Okay, so nice. So I was saying, so when you're done with all this, you need to add this together. And let's just check before and after, how you can see that. So this is up to you, just adding, grading the styles. So let me just, touch something, cool. Control B, and just add this and add this. See this, okay? So I think this one is cool. And I'm gonna turn this color to black and hit it and move to here and come to gradients. Okay. To the middle. Sorry guys. I don't know what's wrong with this. Let me try it again. Okay, and just move to here and reverse it. Okay, and just make the scale move around like this. Okay, and that's it, before and after. So let's show you the face and how it just look like. Okay, so guys, I'm awake, and just get to my page and see you for the next video. Bye.